to subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Oh yeah, it look so.
I just feel stress because when time David and come tell me say I get shot, you know me feel.
You
Me
stop
feel,
worrying
me
yourself,
run
man.
left, me friend and me did that talk to you know, just to come down to the hospital really, you know.
Yeah, we just know say I just some things for some time, you know.
Don't frighten me like that again, man.
Never mean to make that, you know, it just happen so. Come here tell you, say, James, I tell you, say, I lose my life. I lose my life, and but you know, Father God say, I know my time. I make somebody just dead there in time for just help me, you know. I'm not like babes, I lose whole heap of blood.
Yeah,
I shouldn't even want to tell about it, come here, go there, think about it, see me, you go think I'm not good, but I'm good. And how much blood the doctor forget? So I just get back normal, you know, that we did all look thin out, I tell her whole heap of blood.
no, remember say me come visit you 1 and 2 times. Me not tell you like, me just feel hurt.
Yeah, they're just some people still, you know, they don't like say good thing happen to people and then just bad man, you know. You know why you stress out yourself.
Me have to stress out myself. Me coulda lose you, you know. Me coulda get called and say, I hear say I did, you know.
I know that.
You know that?
I know that. But God there by my side and you there by my side.
So what you plan to do in this whole situation right now?
I'm plan to do?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, to the truth. You know, so I'm not plan to do nothing.
You plan to do nothing?
I'm not plan to do a thing.
Why?
I just can't believe I'm a friend, you know?
You what?
Hmm?
Your friend? Are your
No,
friend do
babes.
this?
No, you know, say true from the incident, you know,
So
so
you
me
know
not
who?
think straight. No, I don't know who, I don't remember. Just forget about that, babes.
Just
We are
me?
focused on we, you know. You see me alright and me there, so. And that's the greatest thing. Me have life, I'm
not
there on
like this. I not like how they come shut us. So why then leave your chain?
You see, they take everything.
You risk.
See,
You understand when we buy for you, then go with that. That means you're jealous of them.
but that man show you be jealousy there everywhere. A terrible something. That's why you know I say. I just feel like so when I go out, I don't feel have certain things for me.
Yeah, you have to have certain things in there go. You have to put them on one part. You have to know what you're doing at this and thing.
I take time recover still, you know.
So eat already?
Yeah man, you know, somebody get some curry chicken and some dumpling around. Mother did send me some food.
Alright, me go make sure so you get dinner.
Alright, yes, so.
But I know so I can't stay here so you them have to go back. I won't call them.
My cousin, if I want to come and check for me, and I tell them to stop worry up themselves.
Worry yourself, man.
So yes, alright, just yeah, I do. May I check it when although I know you don't really want to run up on the incident, but
Because
them things are gone right now. May I tell you?
that's why I can't stay around now. Me I feel that did that so make them feel like say, oh she did that so rope straps. You understand what I mean? Say so.
I understand.
Me just
Yes,
visit
that's
you
why I
back
love you
and
and I
forth.
love it. You know road code, you know.
Hey, not because I'm a foreigner, you know. I still know a good thing about Jamaica.
No, it is. Just continue prayer, babes. Believe in a God, because it's God make me there for you. God, you say, yo, I'm not going to left aside.
So just be safe. So
Be safe,
me
yeah.
call her later, yeah?
Yeah. Make sure your food hot when you're sitting, don't make it cold.
It go hot.
Alright,
Don't worry yourself. Later.
Alright. Friend, I'm wicked, you know. I tell you, man, God on time, man. What really make him call me, brother? Alright now, I really want to run nobody in the make us sit there. Brother. So yeah, so wow.
Come here, say me almost up. Brother, I mean you say get shot, you know. How you get shot? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So yeah, what post of the death so me get shot, man.
Yo, what me I say to myself, say, see, but don't tell us I'm not trust that brother there, you know. You understand me? I say, cause the man a move away, brother. Cause the man it's like man, yo, believe me, me never really want to come bigger than money certain way. You know what I mean? And the day when me I say every time, you know, big your light, I'm open a feeling about it. You feel that way about it?
No,
You have to be honest, you know. Cause
be
you,
honest with them, man, because I'm telling you, I'm bridging.
brother, I say me feel that way, brother, cause him can't be saying, yo, cause he, boy, you sure say I'm shot though?
Because I mean, any man one did it. But things not add up, because you did that too, you know. But when
This a boy, yeah? No bother with that. This a brother, no bother with that.
because you did
Hey, brother, did that, brother. No must me left off I see and left two, brother.
So now
You
that
forget-
me I try to tell
So
you,
what you say me when did it? Yeah, if somebody did it, they didn't get shot.
Before me reach where you and him a talk about.
No, me no reason because, you know, I'm tell you, say, me no like what I say, brother. You agree with me, for you.
No, no crib name because you make you buy a crib. What is your
So, brother, you still not give me a little bit of money, brother. You
Because
still
you never plan to come up as so bad man.
So when you come link me, brother, you know, say it thing not set certain way. It's 250 Jamaican
I
dollar,
can buy
brother.
a water and I say,
Brother, I'm thirsty,
and
brother.
that me
Eh?
talk, we not talk about money, we not talk about
Yeah, but
life,
money
right?
coming right now, brother. Money is the issue right now. What kind of tear up money this, brother? What yo, they never take the money, brother. You know how much time you go to China, man, you fling money on my face, brother. I use that thing here,
Because
bro.
listen what me I say,
Alright,
brother. Me
alright,
not
alright.
talking bad man.
Alright,
A
me-
serious time now.
Yeah, me take. Me see if they can out. Cause some of them take the money.
Too much coke in your head.
No, brother. Coca-Cola. You know what I say? What we are doing now? Cause I mean, I tell you say right now, I feel a way say that the man that deal with yourself.
Right now,
What
me
you
a
plan
tell
to do?
you
You
truth.
plan to retire
No,
yet?
we not really did it, but when me can link you and get a thing, me get a thing. You see it? Right now, it's a lonely soldier, this. You see it?
Amen.
Things and time change. We not to link up with nobody again. A serious time. Men cause me could have lost my life.
I show man. I couldn't get 250 I know. That me I talk about it rough. But you know what I said, just go on with the faith, brother. I'm glad to see you there alive. But that brother there was, you know, cause one youth named David, and I don't know if you know. You know, I youth there, I him saying carry go to the hospital and wait.
Yeah, man, guy, you know, some never get to see him though, yo, tell him to yo, give thanks to your father.
When me hear say man, check your people and for money, brother. What kind of style that, bro? You help a man, you know, help a man and a bigger man a thing when a man down.
Check my family there.
Yeah, he might check them for a thing, brother. And me I said, brother, yo, it's on a way. Cause people here are going, you know, cause you know, say Bush always have ears.
No,
you understand? So you
I have to
say,
go see him though, you know.
what me I say still, you know, you can't hold a drink, bro.
Because we can't hold a drink, because me dey on medication. But
Medication. Me can't drink and you gonna drink ice cream, you know, like ice drink, you know.
Menkos are not right now, Menkos.
Alright,
My mind not
you
there.
just let's say there, brother. And let's take a chat, right?
Menkos.
Let's say there, man. That's how I say.
You eat from there?
Brother, food and my thing, brother.
I mean food, and I see I get maga down.
Brother, I saw you go, so fat and drop buff. Make a breeze blow me and carry me about some proper heritage farm.
Menkos, you have to take care of yourself, you know.
So I take
People
care of
will see I
myself.
road and do things, because they go say, yeah,
The
man.
minute young brother, people will see me and feel like they want to run from around. Me tell you something, you see that society here? You have enough madman dressed up in a clean clothes. See?
You know that.
Me as a boy, I know, so I just want to enjoy myself, that's all. That's all, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong
But
with that.
Menkos, let me tell you this. Let me tell you something serious right now. Listen, see if anybody asks if you see me or hear nothing about me,
You don't see it.
you not see me.
So yes.
I know me this.
Oh.
Get that in your head. Who you not see?
Confused about
That no one hear. You see me?
I see me can't. Well, you can't dare still.
And that the expression the more you get anybody asks about me. You see it? Yeah, man.
Remember.
Make sure you get that in your head. But don't say a word, yo. But not me page you and make you get that thing here. Yeah.
What I want to do? Give me a date and time.
Listen, me can't give you no date now.
Brother, you can't promise me.
Me will pull up on you because I know why you set me up.
Me? This a boy, yeah? Brother, I'm going to depend on them things. I'm going to tell you right now.
Me have to have three different men cause so that me I show you.
Pre-rap. I really
Right now, my man stressed out.
You see the boy?
Don't worry about that, man. Just no say my stress, man. Then cause I change it know you.
You can't trust me.
You know me as a good youth in a garrison, you see me?
Yeah, no, me as a good youth in a garrison. Only thing I want is just to enjoy myself, drink and something. That's all.
You have to focus on yourself, man.
You know that me I do? But me can't get fit to do nothing because right now me not have money and certain things now right away. Because we sit up on the beach and you know the girl me no warm to them, then get smart, you know. You check them and say, no, not this time. I mean I say, what kind of thing that?
Yeah,
I'm
watch
much
out, man, cause we can't bother with deep attack.
Do
You
it.
can go lift up, you see me?
Yeah.
Me will check you, you not check me.
Me not check you, you know.
Cause you know what?
Yeah.
You know what?
Me is a youth where you say me not see you. So if me not see you, me can't see you.
No,
me can't
man, then cause you still a get it wrong. You can't say me say you not see me.
Now that you say. So what you say then?
You not see me.
Alright. Me not see you. Simple. Big up yourself, right? I'm going to try to see if I can use it.
Yo, you wait there until 15 minutes, me left.
Alright.
You just take care of yourself, you know.
Yo, you know if you use online, you find one car like a machine when I go. You know if you use them. Alright, respect brother. Brother, respect, yes sir. Respect my friend.
You got 250 Yo, man, I think you get one shot.
is that?
Father God, thank you. Thank you. Yo, what you do? Yo, careful what you do.
Every time me put on the piece of craving here, or one whole of craving here,
What?
or piece of spliff, you take it up and burn it.
What
is wrong with you?
This a boy,
Why you take up my things and what is wrong with you?
Sister, I'm telling you this. See? You have to stop with this thing. Why is it that when me put on my craving and lighter and weed, and you take up it, I don't thief. But when me take fear, I thief and me overdo it and me this and that. You're too selfish, you're unselfish yourself.
Listen.
Eh?
Brother, don't mix me and you in the same category because your teeth are me. Let me tell you something now. You see when I see me put on my piece of spit, you don't know what kind of stress me up for my brain. You don't know what up for me. Yeah, take up a piece of things and I burn them. No burn them, cannot give me no money.
So man cuss down stress too.
Man cuss.
Eh?
Man cuss. You want to touch some things am I gonna see?
And I'm not to touch your things.
You want to touch back my things am I gonna see?
Alright,
me
so
say, if you want to take up back one split, you are gonna see.
Alright, hear me I say. So if me can't take up your split, you can't burn none of my split.
I don't care.
You sign the deal? Sign the deal.
Me not sign no deal.
You not sign no deal, so no deal.
Me not sign no deal.
I don't deal.
But me know I'm going to do them. Touch them and touch them back. And you see, me say if you see me put on one piece of split and me know see you go take up here, you take it up, you see what happen to you.
Alright, listen me I say.
You see what I'm saying? You're there so then things that people are mad people.
So you play the money, brother?
No, you go.
I want that for you, make me feel like part of my brain slow, because part of my brain I'm more slowish. Yo, listen me I say.
You cook out more me,
Cook up more now. If I cook, hey, nobody come mix no cook on my name, you know.
No, we not say cook. But you are move like a cokehead and me I move like a cokehead, but you are worse a cokehead than me. Come you know, wait, one little piece of spliff. Me spliff hot. A tangy. And two years smoke, you look dirty bush weed. So me take up your weed. A tangy. Me a smoke. And you take up my piece of spliff. When me a come back, so me can take three pull out there. I see me kick off the door a while ago and you jump up like say,
you see
10 B man a come, eh?
You see if my brother never get shot and things are right. He will not make everything good because I tell you, say, yesterday I see him give me $250. And I said to myself, so I go man, I buy one 200 bag and I get 100 bag on you. And I saw you deal with me.
Yo.
I saw you deal with me. Every time I go around and make sure you're a good sister. That I saw you deal with me.
Listen, you see, I will make him big like a dog. 250 me now take that. A stock here alone, I get 250, 100 and 150.
Say him never have enough money for him.
That can't even buy one special. That can't even buy one good bag of weed. My bag of weed, them are 100. That's what I tell you, so my top smoke.
Alright, hear me.
$100 bag them.
Alright, hear me, sister. See? Remember, say you sign a deal. So if me have a feeling, what you have a feel. See? Definitely, please. I'm enjoying myself. Sorry for me.
Hello. Don't touch me now. I mean, bust your fire. Don't touch me.
Why you always want war, eh?
You know what?
Why you want war? Why? Want to? Put back up. Me not put back nothing. That me I tell you.
You can't chat about.
Let me say, man. Me not chat nothing. That me I say.
Me say touch me.
I don't touch me. I touch you. I don't need to touch you. Eh? Are you from brush for me? And that's if you do. Eh? I think I start to go. Yeah, man. You work on go on. Go your boy. Craving you give me. You hear that?
Huh?
Yeah.
Where's up?
Where me say me I say? Eh? You just left out that place. What I'm to you? Remember we signed a deal.
Wagwan, how you go? Are you nervous, sir? Wagwan?
Nah, man. Yeah, I'm not nervous, brother. I just have, no need for morning, so
That you say?
You're good, brother?
Yo, I know I touch up my fist now, you know.
Brother, your fist, man, you make it sound, bro. Huh?
You know what I said, though? I have one thing to swear. The boy actually asked me because I know you're my friend, you know.
Nah, man, I'm not a trade. A long time I'm not a trade. Trade, no.
Oh, you mean you're not a trade?
No, I'm not a trade, but no, bad dog. Yo, I don't shoot you, I shoot me.
Brother, me not shoot you, but I give him some answer.
Okay, answer.
Because me can't shoot a man in them back and I'm talk about peace or this or that. So you need to answer me.
No, what a piece of man, sir, brother.
What you mean peace? Which man? You get gunshot in them back and talk about peace.
Brother,
I
man,
fool let me for.
No, brother, I saw me a year, brother. I'm not telling you, I see, man.
Matter of fact, yo, give me the crave name. I want it, you know. You want blood more. Yo, give
I just want crave me, brother.
me weed. That's what give me weed and stop that chatting with me. I want it, yo. Pick up it up, I'm not here. Pick up that.
But respect a man.
Respect a man as well.
No, hear me, I say.
Where I go?
Brother, crave me, I come from.
Crave name. I full of take man for me no say trade. You come just wait for
No, you're
them.
mad, man. No, brother, I'm not believe on that. Brother, I'm not tell me straight, bro.
They don't know I ain't locate.
Me? This a boy, no, man, no.
So they your friend?
A fool friend.
No, not for your friend.
Not for your friend, though.
Brother, stop going to know what cause the enemy. Everything break up in a brother.
Yeah,
So
but
you're idiot.
oh, really, and
Yeah,
truth.
you know, say you're a ringleader in a game. You know
Mr.
everything want to go on.
No, brother.
I can't play a fool.
No,
Guess why?
you are going. Remember, say, I ain't things of vex with him both, you know. You understand? Because I get money from the girl and thing. But, you know, say, I rubbish that thing. Because when you have your fatty, well, just go school, man.
When me have for everything in that run nice. Not feel the whole of the boy I want to. I'm going to jack mackerel and rice, man.
Yeah, man, but
One, two, no.
Alright, yeah, man, so big up yourself, you know, come go use the bathroom.
See, up and go on.
Yeah, man, respect, yes, sir.
Go say it.
That's cool, man, you're a boss play for brother, man, cause
What me like with
a
the-
man, cause it's saying, brother.
So when we can't find trade?
Me no know,
When
brother, me no know, brother.
boy tell me things to play thing, you know. Boy, put a run. Let me see your back out there, you know. You hear me? I tell you, don't make me see your back.
Let me get through.
Oh, go on, my friend. You know, say, for our day, I look out to see you do.
Give me a minute. Listen, when I finish, I will call you and tell you everything what happened. Yeah, because I forgot deal with the whole I pay for them papers right. Alright, yeah. What's your name again?
A Bulby.
Bolby.
Step
Yeah.
husband. Step husband.
Yeah, yes. Mom.
I know, say, in real life, though, our day, me there, me yard, and say, I realize, say, can't see Step. And this is not normal, because normally they don't call me, no call, no text, nothing. I mean, I wonder what go on for you, and I know, say, you know, say, you work for a certain way and thing, me I wonder how me can. That's why I tell you, say, me I look for you from what day, because I want to see
I
you.
don't understand what you mean.
no.
Step fly out.
Step fly out.
Yeah,
So how comes I'm here last month if you know all of this?
Me don't know you're supposed to be first person, but one day when we go meet her, we are talk about business. She get a phone call, emergency, so she did have to book a one-way ticket and fly over.
So she couldn't make me know, say, she have a book one ticket and fly over. So the emergency, so that she couldn't call me.
So I don't feel like she left from.
Then that me I try to show you, and she didn't even make me know nothing.
Me not understand.
Me not understand myself. Right now me lost. Right now me I wonder what really go on.
Me don't know what going on because all the thing me know say it's an emergency and she have to left. But she should have tell her and she not call you.
No, when me I tell you say not a call, not a text.
No man,
Nothing.
that's not like step. But
Nothing.
me talk to her.
Gotcha.
Me talk to her since she go over and she say everything alright and so forth.
And she
Only
not
they
call
in
me.
our argument before.
I try to remember because I don't remember in an argument with her. So I try to remember that myself.
Then all she just agree and not tell her nothing so that
Like a long time she planning still, but you know, that work with the flow.
I have our next woman and she
Here,
can.
here, have next woman, me go have next one and have her in my yard, see me. That no make no sense.
No man cannot be trusted. And I tell you.
Judge God. No ways me and what going with Chase still, you know. I realize me say English shot and I'm sorry for you, I'm sorry, I realize I'm sorry, me you know say I used to me all a year all day something there like me always the behind time like you know. Judge.
But it might come on, you know, we alright.
Come on.
Yeah.
Sure say no forward but
Yeah man, in good like me.
when you hear me shock, you know. Shock, surprise, everything in one, right?
Yeah, that's
I want to give my reason and see me. I mean, you know, say, I out come and eat that.
Yeah, my close friend.
Che?
Yeah.
Yes, I can try show you.
Well, him alright, but he just a stay up on the low for now because me kinda hear him say some friend shot him or
Friend.
something like that.
Friend, you not tell her which one I friend chatting?
You know, he say, quite remember, so me don't know what really go on. But otherwise, turn that in the medication and he have to continue drink fluid and so forth, but he can't really do it up and down. When he come around, we see him still, but he have to depend when you can't see him right now.
Yeah,
And we
just-
can't get in
No,
rotation.
me no want you tell him say Bulby say when he recover enough, when he can move certain, we can go certain places to link because me want to talk to him, see him here.
Alright, once I
Tell him say Bulby, tell him say Bulby, he go know how we are talk, is right?
Yeah, man, me
Yeah,
know,
car.
I think, yeah, man, me tell him say Bulby.
Bulby say.
Alright, so me have some local business to deal with right about now, so me have go away. But me go call Steph and talk to her and find
Yeah,
out
man, you
what
need
really
to call her,
happened.
yeah.
Because me not
Yeah, me
understand
really
how
want
she
to know
do
what
and
going
she
to.
not tell her
I
no.
really want to know what I want in a real life.
That's
I
a
really want to know
foolish.
what I want because you never expect this from her in a real life. Never expect it from
So
her.
she not left no money with
I
her.
don't about left money at least.
No, me
my
know say
friend.
money at least, but did she leave a good amount of money with you?
Tell her say me even when she left, so she gonna left with me. She not
You
left
know,
nothing.
you
Me have money, me have
understand
money
what me say
myself.
now. Suppose she say, well, I'm part of the money. I
No,
get."
none of that no go on.
Okay. Me just want to know because me just want to close every door before me do certain things. You
None of that no
understand?
go on. So I
But
hit
anyway,
try
me
show
go
you,
get
say.
to her and
Yeah,
let she
and
know.
tell her say right now me mad and angry in a one and she fi call me now as possible.
Alright, yeah, come here for go call her because she may deal with some business with. So later, Bulby, right?
Yeah.
Later.
Imagine my own woman. Own woman when they are now one house big. Just gone so. And then Chacha, how me I go do no father?
It's never been a case where me stop people, just stop people. So.
Oh, you hungry?
You come tell that I want, but I want nice places and so forth, but it's a nice girl, man, me kind of put up certain things where me not really, forward certain way to call certain people, because people have problems at that time, you know?
Yeah, me understand.
And people have ways where they feel like they don't want nobody to talk to them, don't? Yeah, but me just, I want to say, me recover from enough things, with a bad mind and corruption and friend and thing, yeah, something just wants me to talk,
Yeah.
Yeah, I think now his mother said me say, if you want to talk to a girl who have consciousness, talk to a girl with naturalness, and see naturalness by Menkos, My name is Menkos.
Oh, America.
Marika, nice to meet you, Marika. Menkos, Marika, M&M. Boom, but you come like just said you really so far. But you see,
I don't think it that way.
no man, you see, sometimes life, you never know what can happen, because, me kind of me downstate right now and thing, and, talking to a pretty girl like you put me up, rising to a level where me feel comfortable, sometimes everybody in Ivory, steal and magnet, and, them things in the giant.
Yeah.
But, I just say, Menkos, my name, man. You live on here, sir?
One over here.
You own over here, sir?
Yes.
Oh, you didn't talk? I miss everyone didn't talk about? Okay. You just talk it true. That them say and that me say.
Well, yes, I'm miserable, but I feel best and I forget my work done. If I
your work
not
done.
get my work done, me go miserable. And you're gonna put me in a bad character, which me not really want pain for you right now because me have a lot
That's
going
why
on.
I'm ready.
Because today
You
was
got
a
that going on.
long day.
But you have a lot going on. Everything good.
Today was a long day, like. Oh, then wake up a place, man. Okay, that's nice.
I mean, recover place. I mean, you Menkos. You know.
Oh, me not really know who do that. Me just have somebody in charge for that. So you say you're hungry?
Me kinda, you know, yeah, but it's like, you know, me not belly and full if you give me a number. But it's alright if you give me something to eat. Yeah, man, you know.
Make up your mind. You want something to eat or you want the number to eat?
Which one feels better for me right
The
now?
food.
The food.
Yeah.
Food
Can
is-
you guess we pack up your number can get lost.
Yeah.
And then you can lose contact. You know then if or something there.
We can ask you a question.
Mhm.
When you're bored, when you hurt, you like you've been joking eagle na you.
It is thin.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
me not really have much pound, but me have $200. That really do good?
200 Jamaican dollars?
Yes.
No,
Me not have no more pound because so me just spend up heap of money now. Me not really draw none for myself.
so now start shining. What is spam? You bad luck or what? But you're alright, everything good because I'm not disrespectful for money. It's just that every time you get money, it's either 200 or 250. You know what I mean?
What do you mean by that?
Yes, then my brethren come with me and tell me, say, you know, you know, I don't get money for him like that, you know. But brethren, you know, you go through a lot, you know, it's terrible, you know, and so forth. But are you smoke?
Oh no, I'm not a
You don't
smoker.
smoke?
I'm not a drinker.
Big
But
up yourself, miss.
I don't know how me own one club and me do I'm not doing something there. It's very weird, but
Weird, don't
you have to be conscious for
No
the
smoke out the
work.
profit, not sure.
Yeah. Business people do then something there.
Business, yeah. Hopefully one day I turn business people, you know.
Why,
But,
but what kind of business that I want to do?
you see, I come over chop yard, and I turn landscaper, chop people yard and
Hey,
designer.
Fear for.
Yeah, we landscaper, you know, we cut design, we cut
Oh, you
down.
want to cut in a style
You know,
like
like if you want donkey and yeah,
yeah.
cut donkey, you know, we go. You know what I mean? We do all kind of design, because some people have some weird kind of things they don't like. You know what I mean?
well, me not know children have to cut like that.
You sure you don't tree to cut? You can cut your grass, you know, nice and
The grass.
easy. Yeah, your grass.
There's no grass around here.
No, it's saying you still live here, sir?
Not really. But me mostly stay here so with the
That
girls.
I come here about you miss
Are
the
you still a
boss.
call miss?
No, and that them say, no miss, and what miss say, what them say.
So why you talk with them say?
Because
You're informer.
oh,
Yeah, mama man.
No, not your mama. But me I say, Marika, that is it, Menkos. You see, it's so nice. Marika and Menkos went to bed. Marika,
Sound good,
it's
you're
all
an
good.
artist.
Yeah, no, not. Alright, so me I say to you, say, respect for your two bills and things. But you think in any way possible? Alright, you see, me say it to you, sunshine for me. Me don't forget it, but if me don't forget it, sun now shine off me say.
Say it fast.
Alright, so, you remember them call them, can talk about business.
Sun not shine for you, that means you not forget it.
You say I shine, but you shine bright. What me I say is that, look on that way. Imagine say, me can tell you the ins and outs of what go on that place. And that me I talk about it.
So we tell us that we not have ears with all of that. But we just
Yeah,
pretend like I don't know.
But the thing is, some people are going to tell you what they want to tell you.
And
Think
then
about that.
somebody else will tell me what they
One
want
of
to
it
tell
tell
me.
you.
So when time that the person that tell me that they half done, this one that tell me that they half done, you combine it together, you get the
Are you
whole
hear this or
end.
no? Everything up here?
Yes, that's my real year.
Tell you natural nice. So you have a man?
Yes, I have a man.
Okay, a man. Policeman?
No, that's not your business. You're not supposed to be.
Yes,
that
I know,
person.
because you know, some people love the law, some people fear the law. Me I like the law.
I'm a big person.
I'm big truck.
I thought,
But, you know, like you can say, yeah, you know, everything. I'm not going to push certain things. I guess I'm that. I'm just from now, say, you see, place clean and nice. See, rate them, I go up for this, if you rate them, I have a finish up. Gap for this, see?
alright, so if I
So
want
miss-
me, I'll stay up there. So if I want me, I can go and check me or anything.
Yes, Miss Menkos. Yes, Miss.
Huh?
I am Menkos.
Miss what?
Yes, Miss, I am Menkos.
Mark.
Marika. Nice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
again,
meet you, boss.
Menkos.
You know what I mean? And hopefully we see you again with that, you know?
Alright.
Nice.
So Friday we get up here. So.
Friday. Alright, Miss,
Huh?
really, if you can make it Thursday, because there's something there. You know, if you can. Just, you
Is
know.
there something going on that I have to get?
And yes, I need some, I have some business to take care of. So look at me. You understand? Look at me go to work.
I will think about it a little.
Thank you.
Friday night. up safe and so forth?
Yeah, man. They hear miss the place. They tried to get settled in, but you know, I miss the place already, you know.
That's a part of life, man. You know, see you soon come back, so we are worried about. But anyway, I did go up on the road, I did the business place and I did go up on the road go sort out some paperwork for business and so forth.
So how that go when you go check it out, how that they go?
Everything alright, man. Everything safe. I renew everything and so forth.
Alright, good work, excellent work. I know I can account for you, you know.
Yeah, man. To be honest, like when me a come back, like when me one worker, we never know say did it right.
Which work are that?
Boy, if you tell the truth, I don't really know him like that. But I not even remember his name, but in time when me a pass and me him did the attack and him a say like in the you know when somebody a run joke with you, like him a run joke with me, yeah, like he make me feel comfortable working there, like he not shout off for me and he not ask me for certain things, you know, they look way he just have a nice vibes and a spirit and I like.
That good, man. I saw me like my workers them be, you know.
Mm-hmm. So, Miss,
Yes, me a listen.
me not really want to go into your business, you know, and more.
My business are your business. Remember, say you second in charge, you know.
Oh, okay, I'm glad you said that, but I'm away going out today, you know, so me see Bulby though.
Wow, how is he doing? A long time I not hear from him, you know, call me since me left, you know. Bulby, no, me not even want to hear about him, you know, man. Bulby have some ways me not like him, want more than what he's supposed to get him a bad mind, him a greedy, you know, so me have to just cut him out of the deal.
So, what happened?
Him just greedy, man. Me and him we talk about getting some house and some car and establishing some stuff, and you know, get greedy and bad mind and want too much for himself, and me can't do that.
That's not nice.
Me understand.
Well, it's rough still, but I look freely. I should have gone and tell him, but me understand what you say still, but it's rough kind of. I think boy you're still in and I ask for him, I walk around and ask for you. So I tell him say I did have to end up going and so forth, so.
I know I don't feel away, but me have to just abort mission, you know. But anyway, I know I'm a little husky that, so I not even want to talk much more about this business because it's kind of personal.
Okay, me understand. Well, and I like some never ask your permission before me go into your business and I ask you permission. And then you say whatsoever. Then you say for your business or my business. Remember, say you did agree with me at first, you know. So how now you are say it personal, which me understand.
Yes, it's personal, but the business part, we talk about that, but I don't even want to hear someone look for me or you miss me. We just want to stick on the business deal side where we never deal with it business wise again.
Okay. Are you a choice and you a boss, so anything you say goes. But
yeah, that is true because you must understand that there's consequences, you know, man, because kind of improve greedy. So in choices, them man, you must know how to deal with it. But remember that there's consequences of his choices.
Okay, miss. Me just did make you know what go on for today and so forth. So later.
We talk later. Continue run business, man. You'll do a good job.
Alright, thank you.
Respect.
I don't understand your fear, man. Make a call in for prayer. Hi, hello, good evening. This is Miss Pence. Yeah, you remember me call you last week? Yes, okay. No, this time me not bring him there. This time I want a personal babysitter to come at my yard to take care of my son. Because remember, you know, I run a nightclub. So most time me not there home. Yeah, me just want a babysitter for just stay here. Any amount of money person I will give them. Alright, so guess what me go on? Me go want the person name, address, every information about the person because me no want nobody come thief me picnic. Yes. And me need to interview them today before they come in at my place to take care of my son because I want if them a thief or whatsoever. Oh, thank you so much. I just you have my address, you have everything about me already, so just send her over and me sort that out. Alright, thank you. You too have a wonderful day. Alright, bye.
Miss, please don't judge me. Please don't judge me. This is the only thing we left dry. I mean, you have to put it on because the rest of them, they wet. They wet on the line. You understand? And you know, miss, you see, next time I come, I go just more appropriate. Because you know what, miss, I love kids, you know. I love kids, bad. I love kids. I really want to work. I don't want to work if you miss me. So, miss, just understand what me I say I know.
You finished?
Yes.
You just
Oh, and me here. You see me here. I see I'm here to miss. You see me here. You see me here to miss. Me can't manage it, so me have to just come. So, and God say must come as you are, and me I come as you are. So, me can't do work.
I think that's in our Bible. I'm sure knows the inside of church. You understand me? But you just come and you just attack me so like, hey, what's your name?
Okay, so my name is Marcia Johnson.
Marcia Johnson.
Yes, but they call me Pinky.
Pinky. Okay, Pinky. Like me literally, you
Miss
have
me not dirty, you know. Miss me not dirty, you know. I'm not stink. Me slippers dirty, but I know my slippers are going to take care of the little pin where you say me if you come look bored. I know me dirty slippers, miss.
Whoa.
I say that one like say here no look like a female to miss.
No, yes, you have natural hair, but you have to know to treat it at times.
Me but miss no far different from me, because your hair leg off for me only twist up. Miss, what you say no, miss? What you say no, miss? Me get the work or me not get the work?
Jesus, you can't chat. I never meet somebody who chats much in my
Miss,
life.
more make me chat.
Listen, you ready for interview? Because I know I'm not interview.
Yes, me ready for interview.
You alright now? Or should I get you some water? Or
No, me good, man, me good.
Okay, thank you. So you ever babysitter? You ever babysitter baby in your life yet?
Yes, miss, my sister have 3 hungry belly pit now me take care of their time.
So you know, like when you come into work, you're not supposed to wear sleeveless and shorts, right? But why all of your clothes in the pan? Why you not have different clothes?
What on them miss? What on them miss? What on them miss? I no clothes, I no clothes at work. I clothes at work, you know. And me I go work, you know, miss.
Listen to me. I have a son, which is 2 years old, and I don't want anybody come and dress certain type of way.
So where you in and now, miss? Where you in and now? No shorts and sleeveless.
Not different. I'm his mother, but you're not his mother.
You're
You're working for me, so you're supposed to dress like you're working. You're not supposed to dress like you're at a strip club dancing.
What you say now, miss? If you can't find out me if you fit me, you find something to fit me. Because if
I
you
don't
clothes,
have
you can't
anything
fit
in
me.
there to fit you. So it's either you go buy clothes or you leave this work alone.
So what you say? Me get the job or me not get the job, miss?
So where you live?
We live down a Zongtown.
And where the hell is that?
Whitehall area, Zongtown.
Well, okay, alright.
Miss.
I guess alright.
Miss,
I think you
Miss, if you tell the honest truth, me just nervous. You see one long time, me smoke, me used to smoke. And when me see my sister Penny take up when he craving here, I nearly give him some, no, I give him some words.
So what you mean you smoke? So you go smoke around me pitney?
Me? No, miss. I would never do that. Me? No, miss. No, miss. Me not so careless, miss.
But I like how you're straightforward. You just come here, just talk your business, and you don't keep it nothing. You just go straight to your pants. I guess so you get the job.
Thank you, miss. But one last thing to miss. Me not really time business now. I really want people to know me then. Me get the job. Miss, come show me which one me feel. Show me yours, miss. Cause me not have time for waste, you know, miss. But me can guarantee you. So you see that baby there, him a go love me. Me I tell her, come. You ready?
I still have to process it a little bit because I'm really in shock right now.
Miss, let me tell you something. You see one of them come and go and them a goody and them the one they serial killer. Come, miss. Me straightforward. Me not deal
You
with you
sure you
now.
don't want to go instead?
Go.
Yeah.
Miss, if you never know one good mood, me tell you go there. You me want to work. Come. Show me.
So
Wow, miss! Your place so nice though.
Yes, it is, but nothing's not.
Brother? Listen, you know what just go. You going on back again, boy? Huh?
Yeah, car boy.
Huh?
You're a boy bigger than me.
You going on back again?
What you mean say go in your bag? You have money in your bag, no money in there neither. But me go in your bag.
I'm going to think there one HIV test. Anyways, you get one work, you know?
You get that work?
Yes.
What kind of work? Who are
You
you?
go babysit. 1 2-year-old little baby boy.
See, so she knows say you ain't nearly kill for your sister Pitney lick, she know that? Eh? We can't take up a craving, eh?
Me nearly slip my mouth, but guess what me say? Me nearly kill him with, and then me say words. Nearly kill him with words. That me say.
You can't craving come back?
Oh, which craving here? Me smoke that on the way, come me there prepare my mind for the interview. You understand? Yeah.
So who he doesn't write his mind without really give a work? I must want to eat that.
The only people that in the right in mind, if you look upon you and feel like you're somebody.
This a boy,
Yeah.
you big time
Because
somebody.
you're not somebody. There is nobody.
Yeah, me not somebody, me
You're
a
not
somebody.
you're not somebody, not nobody. You're damn right as you're body for true. You're somebody. Your body look like a cemetery. There's a walking dead right as so.
See,
What you say?
You know, just walking in the cemetery a while ago.
Huh?
Eh? Find your graveyard.
Find the
Find your
graveyard.
grave and cover yourself with dirty dirt. Something come like you wrong with the story. Come back here. I mean,
I
watch the
fear
TV.
you are dirt and go use and cover myself. Thought now.
How come you come to trace me? You know how hard me work today? Eh? Me sweep up one whole apartment complex this evening. And the boss lady look at me and she like me.
Shut up. Somebody work better for you. Need somebody. Come in let me go out me then a good proper house. And me can name as me feel like. And me can do as me feel like. So you know, I rake up people yard. Because he's a dirty man. I be a dirty work I get to do.
So we come rake up here and dirty
And
man.
woman like you, woman don't like you.
Woman like me.
Yes, no
She
matter how.
like me energy and she stand up and talk to me for more than 3 minutes.
No matter if the woman they smile with you, you shall smile with.
I wish I smile.
Your ancestors them, that know.
My ancestors. She soon find out, man. Yeah? Yeah, man. Wolf for a sheep.
Hey, me just tell her all of my business, you know.
Which
I'm tell her, say, hello, me just tell her all of my business. Say, hello, let me tell her something.
So you tell her, say, when you stop up to people, them, because they went fire one time, you won't tell her that? And soon come in your workplace and come devour your history down there. Eh?
And anyway, you're going to tell her, say, I'm working.
This a boy in a coke. I want to cook me drink a Coca-Cola. Yeah? So you can talk all the way you want to. Yeah? That me I tell you. You could dry up head. wanna be cool.
You happy for me or you not happy for me? Which one of them?
Me not get none of your money, so me
No, me no.
Me not get none of your money?
Tell something, you know.
Eh?
Me no wanna be cool, you know. Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch ya.
Watch out.
Watch ya. I
I'll
wanna
be a
be.
pepper green roll
I'll be a
like.
pepper green of your dirty thinking locks. I'll be a cockroach that come out of your locks.
Yo, stop telling me locks, you know. Stop telling me locks.
Yo, take your hand from me. I'm take your remote and box you with it.
Your nose full of boo-boo.
Rubbish.
You're rubbish. If you look at what is thinking, but don't watch the TV, you come here and antagonize me, eh? Yo, just give me some. Go and work now. Go back and work now. I'm let them find you out. Because I know saying I have no patience.
A woman I used to deal with, right? I look a young pretty girl I used to deal with. One close only. He close and I left for the end. Huh?
You know that place, how are you not close?
He closed them, he tell the woman say all of them wet. But really and truly we know say when I two have clothes. You understand? So I know say close them and them not there what so.
I know you okay out now, because the woman don't call me place, she have come off your things and I'm no problem. So if you wear them, make sure you wash them back. And don't put bleach on color clothes. Bleach go on white clothes. You understand me? As a matter of fact, you have to put blue soap and put it down and make it soap a little bit. Hey, me say, the woman go come back for your things them. So make you go for your white shirt. You can't care white? Come like, sure. You know what? Do what I do. I tell you, make sure say, you not put no curry on your clothes.
See, when me done work, Miss I go say when me go back there so this I go say, oh my God, you're looking lovely. Lovely you're looking. Lovely you're looking. What? What wrong with the girl
You
clothes
smell
then?
like a roach. I be a roach over there, son. Eh? You couldn't buy like a camphor ball and put on the blinking sitting there.
You know we don't get shot too much.
Live for that place. I just come in there stinking self and stink the place. Eh?
You want a jacket
How you go? England?
Eh?
I look at our England you go.
I'm not England if you wear them as
So you wear a jacket I go. Yeah, you that. You wear small clothes going if you supposed to run you out.
No man. You know what? This year and that day look nice together. You see me here and now, bro. All this and this up.
You look like an idiot. I got clothes.
That's what I like a style, bro.
Only thing you want a little pain, people pain words.
That's what I like
A
a
red pain.
Bro, you always a child like you want to. You know, say. Really, I'm truly doing it, you see.
Hmm.
You really come to ask for different he will come to tell about 10,000.
Toes now.
Yeah.
Toes now. Come on.
So you mean
Alright. Me always have the money when I sick of the one place.
for me to lock me eye?
No man. Me I'll send a brother for. You ain't going
I
back.
don't trust you, no. No, so I don't trust you.
What? Me
Where's
I'll
some figure?
Me I'll send her for the money.
Eh.
You see not going back? You see right now in the center of the yard. You have a car. I'm going to say name. You know where you tell the flush and the water go through? Eh? In a pit. Go down there and make sure you lock up your back when you go down there.
A pity I send me now. Eh?
Get $1,000.
A pity I send me now.
Here's them $1,000.
Now give me 1,000, now give me
Me not no toast now for you, that me I tell you.
Alright, and how much you work for you, man?
What?
How much me I get?
How much you get?
25,000 2 week. So you see 1,000 you not give
You
me.
tell me that.
No, listen now, you see 1,000 you not give me, you can take your shubi and die
You
up.
never tell me that.
Oh, give me 1,000. You must think that joke work me I go on. And no matter of fact, she say if me I do good, she gonna give me the 1,000 1 week. The 25,000 1 week time. Anyhow, she said the baby like me. Me just get paid 1 week. Every 1 week I'm done.
But sister, with that the hairstyle.
No, me worry about it. Look
Baby
come here
not go
now.
like you at all.
Look come here there now.
What you there now?
Eh?
You cut
You
off
will
it.
catch up here
You
now.
trim.
Ketchup is very decent.
What this?
Alright. See?
I must see our investment that, yeah? Let me get 1,000, give back 2,000. You hear me, sister?
Yeah.
You hear me, sister?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You say, I want 10 pack of cream in that.
Yeah, and she say, when me I go home at evening time, she go give me 5 bills.
You know, take taxi.
Eh? Eh? No,
No.
she carry me home in her car.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, Mr.
Your boss, you know, man.
So forward there.
Your boss, you know.
Yeah, man, boss, I know. 25,000. Yo, give me a phone.
Oh, your phone is.
25,000, yeah.
Alright, my girl.
Give me.
One day and then fire you. I mean, you know patience, but boy, I take care of people. People who know who them make take care of them young people. I don't watch the movie again. Just do it.
Listen to the No, I do that the things are going right now. Yeah, just big up Shelly and big up no man. Big up the other girl for me too. Yeah.
I'm going bad boy.
Yo, I'm so called about that shit. Alright.
How that stiff breast can for back on check.
I'm saying I know that one.
I say. Jesus Christ, my dear.
Big good door.
But I know you have one bag of girl, you have one bag of girl and can give virgin one, man, bro.
Say I know my girl though.
Yeah, your friend girl.
No, I'm an auntie, my friend.
Jesus Christ, what you talk like you and she there?
No, yes, I'm tell her the big up as that and so forth.
What I say, I'm compare the power one food no man. You know someone alone me calling Japan.
Alone.
Yeah man, you right now fracture bad man. You see me? Yeah, I want to alone for the local issue bad man.
What kind of issue so?
But man, I can't tell the issue, brother. I can't tell her. Right now, the issue, the urgent and I just me alone for go deal. I can't tell nobody my plan or tell nobody my business. I had a dream last night. The dream say, I'm me alone for know the dream. I can't tell them my dream until it fulfill. You know what I mean?
No, they want the man.
I realize. So right now, I'm a friend, man.
But I know, sure you are free. I say I can't lend any money on me there, but depends on the amount what you want.
I turn up and talk to me, brother. Come now, you say man. Turn up and talk to me, brother.
Yeah, say.
You know, man, man, for that, my man, brother. I want to, bro. What you say to me?
Yeah, say, bro, listen. I say I can't lend any money, you know.
Yeah.
But it depends on the amount. Yes, I.
Brother, I want like 150,000.
50,000.
That I lease. Nothing high, nothing low. Right now, see nothing go on. So why is it about me? Eh? Me hungry till my belly I touch on my back, bro. Well, man, you must can do something bad, man, because I know a top chopper in the street, bro, and I make millions. So me fall off, I give nothing go on for me, bro.
Alright. Check me look more.
No, me not in that bad, man, I want to right now.
No,
I think I last time did brother.
Listen me now.
You know what's up?
So wait, what want me go do my thing? Me not have money for me now. You want me do?
Brother,
The
you know,
thief can come
you know,
get.
that time about check.
Check me look more, brother. Call me look more before you check me too.
Listen
I'm
now,
telling you
and
about
all
this.
that time to check on, I'm checking on the yard. A woman there on the yard.
That's why me tell you say call me phone first.
You know, last time me check your
Call me
listen.
phone first.
Brother, my phone now work.
Then
My
you have to
phone
go
screen
borrow
mash
a
up. Brother,
phone,
me no
borrow a
borrow-
phone, me
Bro, me no
dog.
borrow-
So how you go
phone.
get the money? How you go get
Some
the
no
money?
I see you live.
Me not go do that, brother. Hit me a try show
Check your
you.
left money and
No. What I know? People are watching me, man. People are
So
watching.
I say you live
me.
careless.
No,
You can't nothing in your yard.
That me a try show up your thief in a little area, my friend. I come here come see, witness it. 'Cause
Witness?
I come here, I come here with two bombard, brand new clocks put on my veranda and it disappear.
What you say?
Let me a try show you.
I wonder if I little stocky do me say pass and you had the time I want to sell shoes. I wonder when get it from. Ain't two black shoes and one brown one. That it?
Yeah, man, you know, say I want black. Me even remember if a brown or a cream. One eye clocks.
So like
you know,
you
say a
tell
black.
like, I
brother.
can't, you know,
No,
so I
listen
can't
now.
me. A pill I try give me, you try give me pill kind of and lend me the money, man, you would. Alright, too much. Give me 50, give me 30.
Brother, me say.
Me cut you the price, give me 30.
Me say, me never say you can't get the money with your actor first, bro. But me just tell you, say me not have a bomb at the moment. So I just you have to check me look more.
Boy, no hard, no
Man, I
hard,
say
no
me
friend,
hard.
brother.
Man, I say me
I'm
hard.
better
Hard
everybody
it
want,
was.
listen.
Hard it
I
was.
best everybody want, girl pull up yourself and say, yo, give me 2 grand and give me 10,000 go pay my light bill and start pay my floor bill. That's how fast I go pay all that and take out and come back and give girl.
Same thing I go tell her. Check me
Girl,
look
wicked,
more.
brother.
Check me look more. Check me look more. You want me to buy more?
Alright.
Check me look more, my friend. Check me
You
look
see,
more.
brother.
Check me look. Check me
Brother, I'm
look
last
more,
again, brother.
That's
And you
it.
can't, you would.
Dad, just check me look more on you. I didn't say I'm not like with you know, because when man I telling you certain things, it come like a war. Me don't know a war.
I know war.
No, but me say check me, brother. Me not have it on where you want me to go TV.
Brother, I know you ever have money, man. You ain't money boss, you know. You ever do the money and money up there.
Check me look more. Check me look more.
Alright.
Calm. Yeah, money J man style sometime, you know. Shelly, what you say now, Shelly?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
It's a constant battlefield, yeah. It's a spiritual field. Yeah. You can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstars. You can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Cause I remember when the church was a place for finding peace. Now the pastor office strapped with bees. Same on the time just we call police, cause them take too long to read. And I remember when the liquor used to get the least. Now them in struggle for eat. Cause see that what is the end thing good is how the system. Right there so the system reads. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstar. Can't find yourself unless you know what you're fighting for. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstar. Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Who will take the blame? Who will make a change? Are we living in a mental phase? Cause when I think about the greater ones who fought for us, oh, I wish I could keep in touch. Now it's our turn to keep